Is battery saver not working on Windows laptop? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to fix the issue. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. Some users are not able to enable battery saver on their Windows 11 or 10 laptops. In this video, we will provide some simple solutions to fix the issue. Let's get started. Method 1. Use settings to turn on battery saver. Open settings, go to the System tab, expand the battery saver or energy saver section. Whatever option you get. You can toggle on the always use energy saver option. Method 2. Run Power Troubleshooter. Since it is power related issue, you can run the Power Troubleshooter following this guide to fix the issue. Method 3. Restore default power settings. If you are still facing the battery saver not working on Windows error, try restoring the default power settings following this guide. To do that, launch the control panel. Now, click Power Options and then change plan settings of the selected power option. Click Restore Default Settings for this plan to restore your current plan. Restart your computer and check if it fixes the battery saver not working issue for you. Most probably, your issue will be fixed. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.